I got some masking fluid for my birthday. I never really used that once. I tried it about 40 years ago, and it was lots of fun. And it was always good to know that if I ever wanted to do it again, all I'd have to do is go get some. So here I got some, and I decided to combine the two themes that I've been working on, one being the Dana Beach scene, the other being an attempt at a depiction of the cliff swallow. So painted a pair of cliff swallows with the masking fluid, and then jumped into the Dana Beach seascape thing and the cliff there, and so I was pretty happy with the seascape and this juncture. I have had quite a few practice ones. So anyway, then time to remove the masking fluid, and I was very worried that I was not going to be able to match the style of, brush strokes, etc. as on the birds. And here I was erasing the pencil with my fancy electric eraser, and that was a success. Anyway, now let's throw some color on the birds, and not coming out at all great, I thought, and just have to push through. And finally, at the end of the painting birds, I put a wash of white of all things, and the best version of horrible as usual. Attained great. So here, while editing, I thought, well, can't get no worse, so I decided to try to refine the birds with a pen and ink layer, and so tried to hit it with more detail, and wow, I don't know if it looks much better. I guess it looks a little better. Art fun.